Hey guys, this is John with a troubleshooting tutorial. If you are having trouble connecting the iPad to the mixer on startup, so you open up the iPad or you turn on the mixer and you're trying to connect the app to the mixer, the reason why is because I have what's called a custom boot file, or CustomBootScene.scn or CustomBootFile.scn or whatever, loaded onto this thumb drive, which is where we're recording the sermons. What's awesome about that is that whenever the mixer is powered off, even if you change a bunch of stuff and then you turn it back on, it loads that scene and everything is kind of a nice steady state setting for you to just start running service. So it's really convenient. However, two things happen. The contrast on this tiny little screen get changed, which is not a big deal. But the second thing is that the DHCP setting, which don't ask me what that stands for, you could ask Robbie Page probably, changes from on to off. So if it's on, it will automatically connect to Wi-Fi devices that are looking to connect with it, like the iPad and anyone's iPhone or Android who are trying to mix in-ears. So in order to change those two things, you need to work with the throating knob. It's really simple. I actually just changed them, so it's actually really visible right now. But you push that knob and you scroll over till it says contrast. Hit the knob again. I set it to 80. Somewhere between 70 and 80 is where you want to set it. But on the custom boot file, defaults it to 0, which is like really hard to see. So anyways, you turn that back up. Where is it? Turn that back up to 70-ish to 80-ish. And then you're going to want to go over to DHCP. Turn that from defaults to off to on, select, and then turn it counterclockwise to go back to exit. And then you should be able to automatically connect. Let me know if you have questions.